still, I hold your paw. I whisper words I can't ignore. Your tired eyes don't shine like before, but I still see you in my core. The room is quiet, time stands still. My heart is breaking against my will. I never thought it would come to this. This final moment, this last kiss. I wanna stop the hands of time, but I know this pain is yours, not mine. Goodbye, my love, my best friend. I wish this wasn't the end, but I can't let you suffer here. Through all this pain, all this fear, I hold you close, I hold you tight. Through falling tears and fading light, if love means letting you be free, then go ahead and leave me. I see the struggle in your breath, a silent fight against what's left. Each heartbeat slow, each moment hard, like breaking pieces of my heart. You gave me joy, you gave me life, through every storm, through every night. Now all I can do is stay and help you gently slip away. I know this is the kindest way, even if it tears me away. Goodbye, my love, my best friend. I wish this wasn't the end, but I can't let you suffer here. Through all this pain, all this fear, I hold you close, I hold you tight. Through falling tears and fading light, if love means letting you be free, then go ahead and leave me. No more pain, no more fight, just endless peace and quiet night. And though it breaks me deep inside, I choose your love.